Millicent Adhiambo, Ramogi TV.
Riwruoge maok mag piny owacho matiyo e kaunti ma Homa Bay osidho ayanga chenro mabiro konyogi e manyo yore mag dongruok ne jopiny e kaunti ma Homa Bay ka gitiyo e bwo mabul achiel ma idendo ni Homa Bay Sustainable Development Trust. Riwruok mar piny owacho men USAID emosiro chenro mabiro dhi nyime kuom higni 5. Riwruogego bende biro neno ni mwandu manitiere e kaunti ma Homa Bay otigo e yo makare kod neno ni jopiny e kor gwenge ngimagi olokore bende. Achiel kuom dwaro margi en neno ni jopiny obedo gi duol moro mar siemo kuonde ma dongruok ok timre e yo makare.
USAID has embarked on a localization agenda across all countries and on all types of programming, whether it's a health program, our program in economic growth, our programs in education and youth, with the aim of putting local actors in the driver's seat of identifying local challenges, but also coming up with local solutions. Homa Bay Sustainable Development Trust is doing just that. Your strategic plan and the discussion today is evidence that through stronger coordination mechanisms and increased public participation, Kenyan civil society can enhance sustainable development outcomes at the county level.
We are new in this office. We are just less than 1 year old. And our vision and mission is to ensure that we have a county that can address the issues affecting the people of Homa Bay.
We know that you are going to do resource mobilization. Soon you are going to have a CEO and big offices, but we wanted to start small. So you have a coordinator has been very, very instrumental, being on the ground every day and seeing that the task force has what it needs to actually have this done.